Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ika Nurfiana Rahma. You can call me Ika. And now I will presentation about solution overview and types. A solution is homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Homogeneous is an important word here and it means that the parts are evenly distributed. There is uniform, even distribution throughout. So, we have got our solution or our homogeneous mixture right here. The parts is evenly, it's uniform. Over here, we have a heterogeneous mixture where the parts do not mix evenly. We have oil here and water here. You can see the different parts distinctly. This is not uniform and even. This is not a solution. Now, if you had a heterogeneous mixture like this, you can stir it up or shake it up and temporarily form a suspension which look like this, where everything is kind of all mixed up in there. But everything will eventually settle and spread out and up like this again. The parts eventually spread out when you have a heterogeneous mixture. But on other hand, the part of solution never spread out. They just gonna stay mixed basically forever. First of the part, every solution has two parts. Let's say we're dissolving sugar and water. The substance we're dissolving, we call that the solid. Here that's the sugar. And the substance the solid is dissolving in, we call that the solvent. That will be the water here. Here we have the solids that we've talked about so far. Drink, mix, salt and sugar. And we saw those dissolved in liquid water to make a solution. They are all solid. But solids don't have to be solid. We can also make a solution by dissolving a liquid into another liquid. And we can also make solution by dissolving gas into liquid. Now, let's look at examples of some of these other solutions. Here's an example where we make a solution by mixing two liquid. The rubbing alcohol in your medicine is a solution of isopropyl alcohol mixed with water. That water is the solvent and alcohol is the solute. Here's another good example of a solution made by mixing liquid. This is antifreeze, which is used in cars to cool the engine. Antifreeze is made by taking propylene glycol, which is a thick, viscous clear liquid, and mixing in with water. Now, you can also make a solution by dissolving a gas into a liquid. If you dissolve carbon dioxide gas in water, you make seltzer. Here the gas is the solid and the liquid is the solvent. Another example of a gas dissolved in liquid is ammonia cleaning solution. This is solution ammonia gas solutes that's dissolved in water. Now, if you think about all the solutions what we have looked at so far, you might notice that they are all in the liquid state. They are a liquid. We call this liquid solution. If your solvent is a liquid, your final solution will also be in the liquid state. No matter what the solid is, so the solid can be solid, gas, liquid. If the solvent is liquid, the final solution will be liquid. But not all solutions are in liquid state. There are also non-liquid solutions. These are usually what we think of when thinking of solution or dissolving, but they are also important. So, We'll start with some solution of gas. Whenever we mix together gas, they usually blend together evenly. So we usually form a solution or homogeneous mixture if you took a sample of the air at one place. And now, finally, there are also solutions that are made from mixing solid together. An alloy is a homogeneous mixture or a solution of metals. Maybe that's all I can say, more or less. I apologize and thank you.